All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today is the day that the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10, whatever it is, all the Galaxy S devices will be released. And I have another case review here. This is the Parallax from Caseology. I've dealt with Caseology on a number of occasions. So they reached out to me and I said, yes, I will have the Galaxy S10 Plus first. So here is the Parallax case. So pop this open here. Old school here. You know, this is the way the Parallax has looked since they brought it out. It's got like this 3D design on here. Remember the game Cubert? Some of you guys might not be old enough to remember that, but it's an old school game. That's what this pattern reminds me of. This is actually a beautiful case and just reminds me how small the Galaxy S10 Plus is going to be. So as you can see here, they've got the power button covered at the top there. And you've got obviously the 3 camera setup with the LED and all the sensors that are going to be there for fingerprint, heart rate, or not fingerprint, but heart rate, and laser autofocus and all the things are going to be there. Volume and Bixby, little Caseology branding right here, real faint. Then you've got your headphone jack, your charging sink, microphone, and speaker down there on the bottom, and then your microphone on the top. Now this is probably always going to come in different colors. But let's pop this dummy unit on here, because eventually I will be putting on my real unit. So here we are. They also sent over some screen protectors too. I'm not going to mess with the screen protectors right now because obviously this is a dummy unit and I don't want to put it on a dummy unit, but you can see real briefly here, I'll show you here because I will probably put this on the phone. Fingerprint resistant, obviously case friendly, you know, get the curved design, scratch resistant. But this is going to be one that I throw on there, so we'll deal with that. That's just going to be not tempered glass, but just a regular screen protector, which is really good. A lot of people like those, but this will be a snug fit. This is pretty much how the phone is going to be, the size of it. This is going to be the phone. There are too many leaks out there for Samsung to change it. It's just almost impossible. I've actually seen a video of the real phone, so this is what the phone is going to look like. No questions, no ifs, ands, or buts. And the case itself, beautiful case. This is a beautiful design. I've always liked the Parallax kind design on these things. And it has just that nice feel to it on the back. Now, one thing about this case is there's no grip on the sides. And that's kind of a letdown for most cases today don't have a lot of grip on the sides. But if you're holding it like this, you will get some kind of grip from the back of the phone touching your hand. So tons of cases that don't have grip on the sides, but this is just one of those cases. So at the front of the case here, you understand you've got this cutout here that for the speaker. And then with this case, it actually has a lot of lip protection here. It may not seem like it, but it's got a ton of lip protection. You definitely will be able to use their screen protector with it, and we'll check out some tempered glass as well. But there it is, folks, the Parallax, however you want to pronounce it. This is one case from Caseology. It's a very beautiful case. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will be bringing you coverage of the new Galaxy S devices, so stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get my hands on one. I'll pre-order, just like you. I'll have to buy one, just like some of you guys watching that are trying to decide. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Take care.